It's Mrs. Weeks and
Mr. Leatherwood.
Yeah.
And we're talking about common factors. We talked about factors in another video.
Mhm.
So anything that multiplies together to get
Right.
another number. But this week we're going to be looking at common factors. So you want to explain?
So when we look at two different numbers and we're trying to find the factors that are alike in them.
Okay. So an example would be, let's say we're trying to find the factors of 24
Okay.
and 36.
Yay.
Yay. Hopefully they have some common factors because I just picked those at random.
Random.
Okay.
Okay.
The way I like to do, and I think Miss Weeks is the same, is we use a little T-chart to do our factors. I think it's a great way to organize them. They're not all over the place. So, what's an easy factor for 24?
1 times 24.
Yeah, that's the easy one. 1 and 24.
Well, I'm taking the easy one. You can have the harder.
Okay. So we'll go, and then I know 2 times 12.
Yeah.
Any others there?
Yep,
3.
3 times 8.
3 times 8. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. Is that right?
Yeah.
One reason I like this method is because as you get closer to the bottom, you get closer together. And then it's real easy to see. I only have 5 left between these two numbers. And I know 24 doesn't divide by 5. So I'm done. Oh. No, I don't reverse it.
Okay.
Okay. That's a good, no. She said 12 times 2. And what about 8 times 3 and 6 times 4?
That's right. Community property.
Yes.
So they're all the same.
Yes,
so
they're all the
that's
same.
so-
You can flip them. I have some
Yes.
kiddos that flip them, but I don't. I stop right there.
That's right.
Okay. And I also like if you follow it, it goes least to greatest if you
Yes.
go this way.
Absolutely.
So next year when you do greatest common factor,
Right.
it's real easy to organize
Yes.
it. Okay. So then 36, I'm going to do the easy one. 1
I'll
times
put this in
36.
there. Yep.
Got another one? She's thinking this may take a while. I'll give you a hint. It ends in an even number.
I know. I know.
Okay,
that.
okay.
So 2 times 13.
Ooh, you sure?
No.
No. Would you like to try that again?
2 times 18.
18. Very good.
This is Friday afternoon. Mrs.
Yeah.
Weeks is tired.
Okay. So then 3.
3 times 12.
Oh,
3 times
good.
12.
Looky there. Good. 4.
This one's yours. 4 times 9.
4 times 9. Very good. 4 times 9. No 5.
No 5s. 6 times 6.
6 times 6.
I do know my facts.
Okay.
Look how quickly
Now,
I did that.
I've seen people do this different ways. I usually put my 6 at the end because I know it's 6 times 6.
Okay.
It's the same. You could also, let me erase that. That was my erasing noise. You could also just do 6 and 6. that
Okay.
way. So either way is fine. I always put it at the end, but whatever.
Okay. Just so you're keeping track
Yeah.
of it.
And
All
again, you can see real easy they go least to greatest.
That's right.
Okay, so we have all the factors of 24, all the factors of 36, but we are looking for
Common
common
ones.
factors, things that they have in common with each other. So let me pick a different color. I see that they have 1 in common. They both have a 1.
Yay.
They both have a 2. Both have a 3. You know, real fun here listening to me figure out what they have in 4. Go over to the 6. Now, I see 8 and 24, but I don't see it in 36, so that doesn't work. But I do see a 12. And then 24 doesn't match. So that's it.
That's it.
So if we were to ask you for common factors, we would say the common factors of 24 and 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
12.
and 12. The others are factors, but they're not common factors. Make
Perfect.
sense?
Yes, it
All right,
does.
let's give them another example and then.
To redeem myself. So,
Okay,
Yes.
we'll let them try. Okay, so another example. Grab a, let's see, orange? Let's use orange. Orange is
Perfect.
pretty. We'll even make it a little bigger. Maybe? No. Okay, there we go. What number? She's laughing at me.
I
She's
am.
silently
I am.
laughing at me. Okay, what's a number? Any number. Pick a number.
14.
14. So I do 14. And then, well, how about 72?
Okay.
Would that
That's
work?
good. Yes. That's fantastic.
Make it really high and hard for us to get to.
Yes.
That's okay. Okay, so go ahead and pause it. You try to come up with the factors and then circle the 2 factors that they have in common. And then we'll come back and answer it for you and see how you did. Sound good? All right, so factors of 14. 1 and 14. 2 and 7. 3, nope.
Nope.
4, nope.
Nope.
5, nope. 6, nope. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so 72, we have 1 and 72. We have 2 and something. Was it 36? Is that right? She's shrugging her shoulders like,
I'm
no,
not answering
I have
anymore.
I have no clue. 3 should go into this. Don't know by how much. 3 goes into it 24 times. Is that right? 3 and 24? Yeah, she thinks so. Are you
That's
sure?
fine. That's
okay.
fine.
4 should go into this too, right? 4 times 18? What are you laughing at me? I'm on top of things. 4 times 18. 5 does not go into it.
No.
And 6, does 6 go into it? 6 times 12? She's thinking.
Yes.
6 times 12.
72. Yes.
Okay. 7? No.
No.
And then 8. 8
9.
8 times 9? Sweet. We did good. That's really good for me. To come up with all those, I'm impressed with myself.
With yourself.
Can I be impressed
yeah,
with
just
myself?
yourself.
Yeah, just myself. Everybody else is going, I'm not impressed at all. Okay, so these were tricky. Hopefully I got them all right. So if I didn't, come back to class tomorrow and say, Mr. Leatherwood, not right at all. Okay, so we're looking for common factors. I don't think we're going to have a ton here, but I do see 1.
Great job picking numbers.
Hey, they have common factors. It doesn't have to be a lot. And I see 2. I don't see 7.
No.
I don't see 14. So this is kind of an easy one.
Yes.
You only have 1 and 2 are your common factors.
Fantastic.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Okay, so you can do this with anything. Have your parents throw out some random numbers, find the factors, and then find some common factors of them. That's it.
Awesome.
Have fun. Bye-bye.